Uh,
Can you hear me? Yeah. I'm Trisha Lathwani from FIB. Our first event is Symphony. It is a pure English event. Category A is Mic Fight. It is a singing event on contrasting topics. Number of participants are 2, NPA 1, time limit 3 to 5 minutes. The singers may be accompanied by an instrument or an accompanist or pre-recorded music. The pre-recorded music must be a -1 track. Violation to this rule will lead to immediate disqualification. Only one set of emotions can be used. No remixes are allowed. Category B, Once Upon a Time. This is a musical, English musical. Number of participants is 6 to 8, NPA 2, time limit 6 to 8 minutes. The use of at least 4 characters from a bedtime story is compulsory. Additional characters from other bedtime stories. Alteration of bedtime story is compulsory. The pre-recorded music is compulsory. It must be a -1 track. -1 track of existing English track can be used. No pre-recorded singing. Use of musical instrument is not allowed. Pre-recorded sound effects are allowed. The lyrics of the songs must be original. Props are allowed for this event and no dialogues. Category C, Spotlight. This is a contemporary dance event with a prop. Number of participants is 8 to 10. NPA is 2. Time limit is 4 to 6 minutes. The use of only one prop is compulsory. Costumes cannot be used as a prop. Example, if a hat is part of your costume, then it cannot be used as a prop if another prop is used. Pre-recorded English music with or without lyrics is compulsory. If music is not provided, then the team will be disqualified.
Now we have Riddle, which is a pure Hindi event. First is Cat A, which is Surah Tali. It is a Kawali event. Number of participants 2, NPA 1, time limit 3 to 5 minutes. You can either sing your given time or Mansuri minus. The singer can be accompanied by an instrument or an accompanist or pre-recorded music. Bollywood versions of Kavalis will not be allowed and no remixes allowed. Then we have Cat B, which is low crowd. You have to depict an Indian festival. Number of participants 6 to 8, NPA 2, time limit 4 to 6 minutes. Bollywood music will not be allowed. Props are allowed for this event. Depiction of only one festival is allowed. No relation. If you're depicting an Indian festival, you can use the local language of the place. In the rule book it is given Hindi, but if it is a Goan festival, you can use the language. Cat C is Kalpana Ki Udan, which is a play. Number of participants 4 to 6. NPA 2, time limit 6 to 8 minutes. Depiction of only one supernatural element is allowed. Props are allowed. No pre-recorded music.
Next we have Hardmore Cafe. This is open to school students as well. This event is a direct final, and as you know, as the name suggests, it's mocking the band. Number of participants 4 to 6, NPA 3, time limit 3 to 5 minutes. If participating teams exceed time limit, they would be penalized. Pre-recorded music is compulsory, and only pre-recorded -1 tracks are allowed. Band names and changed lyrics should be submitted by today. And colleges that mock an artist and not a band will be disqualified. Number of participants should be same as the number of band members of the band being mocked. Participants must dress like the band being mocked, and props are allowed in this event. The band name cannot be changed, and no comic book or graphic book characters to be used. Okay, then we have Water Riot. This event is open to ex-students as well. And please note that for Hardmore Cafe, in the rule book it's been given that one sitcom and one comic book character is to be used. This rule is actually for Water Riot and not for Hard Knock Cafe. Water Riot, number of participants 4 to 8. NTA 2, time limit is 10 to 12 minutes. And scripts in progress are to be submitted by today. Those selected from the eliminations are required to give the same performance for the finals. This is a pure English event, and if the participating teams don't open with the opening line, they will be disqualified. One sitcom and one comic book character is to be used as compulsory, and violation of this rule will lead to disqualification. Pre-recorded sound effects are to be used, and no music is allowed. Next we have the electrocuted. This event is open to the ex-students as well. It's a band event. Number of participants 4 to 6. NTA 2. Time limit is 4 to 6 minutes. Each band will be given only 5 minutes of preparation time. Extra time will be counted in the performance time. And original songs to be used. No distortion of tracks are allowed. Those chosen from the elimination require to give the same performance in the finals. And band layout and song list are to be submitted by today.
Okay, then we have Daska Days. Our characters are Muscle Peters, the famous teenage pop star, and you have to use a current teenage pop star. You cannot use Madonna, Britney, and all of that. Then we have hallucinating grandma and a sorting hat. The dance forms which have to be used are Bollywood and salsa. Number of participants 4 to 8. NPA 3. Time limit 10 to 12 minutes. The hat can be personified. Only pre-recorded music is allowed.